Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my Viddyoze review. Here inside the sales page, and today I'm gonna give you a full demo and a run through on what this is and how it works. I'm also gonna share with you the full details, the pricing, the upsells, and whether you should pick them up or not. And I got you covered with the best bonus package that you can get your hands on if you decided that you want to pick up videos through me. Now, in a nutshell, Viddyoze is a web-based app that will allow you to create studio-grade video animations in just a few clicks. So you can create animations with a few clicks with no previous experience. This is one of the most powerful softwares when it comes to creating video animations. Now the cool part about this is you don't have to install anything onto your PC or Mac, so you can definitely use this because it's cloud hosted. So you just go to the app and the app is cloud hosted, so you go to the website of the app, you log in, and you can start creating these amazing animation videos. So if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything for you. If you would like to pick up videos anytime during watching this review video, just get yourself to this page via clicking on the first link down below in the description. Once you are on this page, just scroll down, click on one of these yellow buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can scroll down and pick up your copy of Viddyoze. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear, and that's something I don't want you to miss out on. These bonuses are exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you would like access to videos and all these bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly once you pick up the front end, you have to pick it up through my bonus page. My first bonus, I'm going to give you access to Video Marketing Blaster. This is the most powerful software when it comes to ranking your videos, analyzing your competition, and tracking your own videos. So this is a really powerful software that will allow you to dominate YouTube. I'm giving you access to the Pro version. So you get access to this version, which costs $97. You're gonna get it for free, and you'll be able to access all these analytics. It also generates titles, descriptions, and tags for you. So it's everything done for you. So you'll be able to rank on YouTube. You can also search high search volumes or high search keywords that have a low competition, and you can start ranking your videos and getting tons of traffic to your YouTube channel. The second bonus, you're gonna get access to Vidscribe Pro. Now this will allow you to transcribe all the videos. So what you can do, if you are into filmmaking, if you are into a video montage, if you make a lot of videos that require transcribing, this software will do it for you. So it will transcribe any text into speech in multiple languages. This software is actually selling for like $67. This is the Pro version, and you're gonna get it for free as my second bonus. The third bonus, I'm gonna give you access to TubeRankJeet Pro. This is another amazing software that will allow you to optimize your SEO, and more specifically your YouTube SEO. So all these softwares will allow you to rank on YouTube. This is an amazing software that you're gonna get for free. This is still selling for $47. You're gonna get as my third bonus. Fourth bonus, I'm gonna give you royalty-free stock videos, images, and soundtracks. You're gonna get access to all these royalty-free stock images, videos, and soundtracks in different niches. You can use these and make animation videos with them. Now these are royalty free, so you can use them, you can resell them, you can do whatever you want with them. This is gonna be my fourth bonus. My last bonus, you're gonna get access to all the vendors bonuses. Now I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra custom made bonuses to help you get the best out of your front end purchase. Now all this is gonna cost you $47. You're gonna get access to the Viddyoze personal, or you can go for the, I think it's the, let me just take a quick look. So we have the personal and we have the commercial. It should say commercial here. The personal is going to cost you 47 or 67. So whichever choice you want to make, you can get all my bonuses free of charge thrown in as well. All you have to do is contact me through the email in the description, and I'll be able to deliver the bonuses almost instantly. So just contact me and send me your purchase receipt and I'll deliver your bonuses. Now I'll leave you guys with the demo video of Viddyoze, then we'll come back and take a look inside the sales page, and we'll wrap up with some pricing and upsell points right here. I'll see you guys in a bit.
My jeans are torn, sweat coming through my shirt, keep pushing even though it hurts. I'm chasing what I know is true, there's nothing that I would not do. When everyone around me drops, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't waste another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up now, take it up. I'm a man on a mission. When you look into my eyes, you know you're gonna see that fire. If you're standing in my way, it ain't gonna be your day. Oh, bleeding till I own this dream, build it like you've never seen. Even at the mountaintop, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't wait another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up now, take it up. I'm a man on a mission. Won't wait another minute, no, I won't. Wait another minute, no, I won't. I won't wait another minute, no, I won't, yeah. I won't wait another minute, no, I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Peace out. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's take a look inside the sales page. We have breathtaking animations in just 3 clicks with the world's easiest full auto video animation software, studio grade intros, outros, CTAs, logo stings, social actions, and pure live action magic. all done in the cloud, so you can create from anywhere. We also have some bullet points. So the only fully automated video animation maker for marketers in business, 170 professional templates, say goodbye to expensive contractors and unreliable freelancers, get high-class professional animations in just 3 clicks. Please excuse the noise in the background. Let me just pause the video. Excuse me, there was an ambulance passing by. So anyways, let's continue with the video. We have customize animations to match your brand in seconds, no previous marketing or design experience, 100% cloud-based, so you don't need to install anything onto your laptop. They have over 100,000 users that are trusting this company, which is Viddyoze. We have some testimonials. We have some videos here showing you how this works, or showing you some examples of videos created using the software. We have some more information. It's a really long sales page. I'm not gonna go through it. Please go through it at your own time. Now let's jump right into the pricing and upsell details. Everything I just showed you, or everything you saw inside the front end version, you're gonna get access to the powerful video software in all the training modules. Plus you get all these features, whether you want to choose the personal version or the commercial. It should say commercial here. Anyways, I'll change it after making this video. So the front end version, we have 2 choices. We have the personal and the commercial. The personal is gonna cost you 47. The commercial is gonna be 67. There are some differences, of course. Here you get to create only 30 videos. Here you get to create unlimited videos. We have 230 templates inside of here, 2 high quality training courses, YouTube Accelerator, in reverse sales method. So basically you get tons more features inside the commercial. Of course, I'm gonna advise you to go for the commercial in order for you to get more features. But if you don't want it, you can go for the personal. It's still a pretty good deal. You get to create 30 videos per month, which is not bad. Upsell number 1 is going to be the Viddyoze template club for $37 a month. You get access to the entire back catalog. I'm sorry, English is not my first language. It says catalog. I cannot read it for some reason, but you get access to the entire back catalog for 1,500 templates and 20 templates each month. Plus you get access to all this additional audio tracks, your animations. You get private media library where you can save your images and assets for later use. We have access to the Viddyoze GIF. You will be able to render animations in GIF format, and you'll be able to embed these GIFs onto your emails and websites. So that's basically what you're gonna get for $37 a month. Do I recommend this? I'm not sure if you need this, but if you are a newbie, you don't need this. You only need the front end. But if you are some sort of an expert, if you plan to become a freelancer and sell video animations for a living, this is definitely one to consider. So I wouldn't recommend you to go for the upsell number 1, but definitely check it out. Upsell number 2 is going to be the Viddyoze agency for $297 a month. I think this is way overpriced, but if you are a company watching my video, then this is a no-brainer for you because you'll be able to make so much money. If you are a newbie, definitely skip this one, because basically you're gonna get white label rights. You get to sell videos as your own. You get to change the logo. You get your own platform. You get to create 10 sub accounts, resell it, change the watermark. You get 15 new templates each and every month, plus all this cool stuff. Feel free to read it at your own time. So basically you get to sell it as your own, and you get access to the private media label and all that stuff for $297 per month. Again, if you are not a company, if you are not doing this as a full-time job, definitely skip the upsell number 2. that's basically it. So we have 2 upsells. We don't have that much, so definitely go for the front end. Again, go for the commercial. Upsell number 1, it's not required, but it's definitely one to take a look at. Upsell number 2, unless you are an agency, skip the upsell number 2. It's highly overpriced, $297 a month. I think this is way too much for a beginner, but if you are a company, this is one to consider. So I hope you like my review. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.